Every day you meet difficult people, a rude coworker, an angry driver, a critical relative. The Stoics faced the same problem 2,000 years ago, and they built a mental toolkit to stay calm when others lose control. Marcus Aurelius wrote a simple morning reminder. He said, "Today I will meet people who are rude, ungrateful, and selfish." By expecting difficulty, he removed its power to surprise him. The first tool is the dichotomy of control. Some things are up to you, and some things are not. Their words, their moods, their choices are not yours. Your responses. Epictetus taught that people do not disturb us. Our judgments about people disturb us. The insult is just sound. The meaning you add is what stings. Next, pause before you react. Between the trigger and your response, there is a small gap. The Stoics called this the space of reason. Widen the gap, and anger loses its grip. Try the view from above. Imagine yourself and the difficult person from high overhead. Two small figures, one small argument on one small street. Perspective shrinks the problem instantly. Assume good reason. Marcus said people act badly because they think it is good. They are mistaken, not evil. This turns anger into pity, and pity into patience. Set boundaries without hate. Stoicism is not passivity. You can say no, walk away, or end a relationship. Do it with a calm voice, a clear reason, and no cruelty. Remember your own faults. Before judging a difficult person, ask, when have I been rude, late, or unfair? This mirror softens your reaction and reminds you that everyone struggles. Practice negative visualization. Picture losing this person tomorrow. The rude coworker, the critical parent, gone. Suddenly, the small annoyances shrink, and gratitude replaces irritation. Return kindness, not fire. Marcus wrote, "The best revenge is to be unlike the one who wronged you." Meet rudeness with courtesy. Meet cruelty with fairness. You keep your character intact. So, the Stoic path is simple. Control your response, pause before reacting, assume good reason, set calm boundaries, and return kindness. Difficult people become your training ground for a stronger mind.